everybody, it's Oma. Hi, Emma and Liv and Luca and Ryan and Sean and Owen. I have a couple of things I found recently that I thought I'd show you. And, oh, shoot, you know what? Hello, everybody. This is Oma. I've got some things to show you today that are dead and cool, if you ask me. Hi to Ryan and Emma and Sean and Livy and Luca and Owen. These are all things I have found in the desert, either on the sidewalk or in the road or sometimes on a little trail, but usually just on the around here. So this guy is called a collared lizard. He lost his tail somehow, he or she, and they are, you can see this dark part around its neck. That's why it's called a collared lizard. A collar is what you have on your shirt, and we have a lot of them. And around here, they run up and down walls, and they like to hide from you, actually. But they'll sometimes, if they don't think anybody's looking, they'll run and stop, and then they do push-ups. It looks like they're on the ground, and they're pushing themselves up and down. Right? They're kind of cool. And this one has been in the sun for a while, so he's all dried out. And then this one was in the sun for a while too, so it's dried out. I think it's flat, like a pancake, and it's a snake. A baby snake is my guess. And in the desert where it doesn't rain much and where there's a lot of sunshine, things dry out. And so this guy is pretty dry. And I don't know if you can see, it doesn't look that clear. But, here, is that clear maybe? It has a pattern on its back, and I think maybe they're tiny little diamonds. And you know what has diamonds? As a rattlesnake. And rattlesnakes, when they get bigger, you get a rattle on the end of their tail. And they also, if they're really scared or you get too close, they can bite you. And then finally, we have an owl pellet, and we have a lot of owls around here. They're great horned owls. They're big owls, and they eat things, probably lizards sometimes, and mice and rats, and I wonder how big. I don't know how big, but maybe a bird even. And so this is made up of, this gray part, this hard part, is made up of bits of fur and even little tiny bones and teeth and maybe feathers if this one ate a bird. And you can see there's some big bones there in there. And so the owl eats their dinner whole. They don't chew it. They don't have any teeth, so they don't chew it, and they just swallow it, and then they can't digest these parts, so they spit this part out. So that's called an owl pellet. Isn't that cool? Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed seeing all the things that live around here that aren't living anymore. Okay, bye to Owen and Ryan and Sean and Livy and Luca and Emma. Okay, bye-bye.